Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Sony XM6 available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what Sony offer for the headphones, and if we open it, you can see that I already add this application to add these headphones to the application. So my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these headphones to the application, you can check tutorials on this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.